Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's gaining a lot of attention for its unique benefits, the Nosalt sodium-free salt substitute. This isn't your typical seasoning. It's a potassium chloride-based alternative to regular salt, promising to enhance flavor without the sodium. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Nosalt is marketed as the best sodium-free potassium alternative in the market. It comes in a convenient 3-pack of 3 ounces shaker bottles, perfect for everyday use in your kitchen. First off, it's completely sodium-free, which is great news for anyone watching their sodium intake. Instead, it uses potassium chloride to mimic the taste and function of salt. It's also vegan-friendly and 100% natural, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. Many users claim Nosalt tastes remarkably similar to regular table salt. It behaves just like salt in cooking and baking, making it versatile for all your culinary needs. Whether you're seasoning chips, pretzels, or even popcorn, Nosalt promises to deliver that familiar salty taste. One of the standout features is its potential health benefits. By substituting sodium with potassium chloride, Nosalt helps in reducing excess sodium in your diet, which is linked to various health issues like high blood pressure. The shaker bottle design makes it easy to sprinkle and control the amount used, whether at the table or during cooking. It's designed for convenience without compromising on flavor. Overall, Nosalt is a promising choice for anyone looking to reduce their sodium intake without sacrificing flavor. Its natural ingredients, easy usability, and positive customer feedback make it a strong contender in the salt substitute market. Whether you're vegan, managing hypertension, or simply health conscious, Nosalt might just be the solution you've been looking for. If you've tried Nosalt or have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.